What's going on, everybody? Jeremy with Detroit Tech. I'm taking the place of our Detroit Tech review as we are still under a bit of a holiday break, but I wanted to say thank you at the tail end, well, I guess the beginning of 2018. Our 2017 was way past our expectations and our goals we set. We were hoping to hit, 100 subscribers. We were not trying to do anything too crazy, but we're over 470 at this moment, and that's awesome. Thank you guys so much. I've had so much fun over the past year, Corey and I both, talking to you in the comments, hearing about different setups or different ideas you guys have about the things that we've reviewed and the opinions that we have, and it's awesome hearing from the community on that. And I do want to hear down below, what would you like to see in 2018 from us? We have our own ideas of kind of what direction we're gonna go, but we want to hear from you, and we want to chat with you guys. We want to hear what's maybe sort of a series, different episodes you'd like to see, something like that. Comment in the comments below, hit that thumbs up. We'll see you next week.